catching my breath, letting it go, turning my cheek for the sake of the show. Now that you know this is my life, I won't be told what's supposed to be right.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tukfan. We've spent a lot of time to test some new home appliances, and here we are with a new video. We have reviewed Xiaomi Robot Cleaner X10 Plus before. After half a year, today we bring an upgraded version of it, Xiaomi Robot Cleaner 1S. Although we can see the difference in appearance, a new function that I dream of is added. It can finally realize automatic water filling. Let's go straight to the unboxing of the water accessories. An instruction manual on the top, water pipes and polluted water pipes in the box, a solenoid valve, the most important thing, water module and water cover tube, adapter for 2 water pipes and some accessories. Next, we start the actual installation. First, take out the 2 water tanks in the base station. Seeing that the card slot has been added here in the middle and the detergent is automatically added here, note that there is a rubber plug on the inner wall and pull it out. By the way, take out the detergent, put the up and down water module into the base station and tighten it with a screwdriver from the back. Detergent can be put directly into the water module. The conversion joints for the polluted water and the clean water are respectively connected to the polluted water pipe and the clean water pipe. Then connect them to the base station. It should be noted that the polluted water is on the top and the clean water is on the bottom. Here, one end of the clean pipe should be connected to the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve has a plug directly inserted into the base station. Then cut the water pipe according to the appropriate length and connect it to the other end. And then connect this end to the clean water 3-way valve for connection to a water source. The water module is divided into clean water area and polluted water area. There is a filter in the polluted water tank on the left to filter small pieces of garbage in the water. When starting to clean, the robot will wash the mop first. The water source will enter to the tank on the right along the water pipe. We can see that the water has now started to flow. Similarly, after cleaning, the robot will return to the base station to wash the mop. After washing, the polluted water will be discharged along the pipe. Here I use a basin to shut the polluted water for the better demonstration. Normally, the polluted water pipe installed at home is connected to the floor drain. Let's clean the room now. First, you need quick map creation, and it only takes 8 minutes to complete the whole house map. Then, let's start cleaning all the rooms. When you start cleaning, it still moves around the periphery of the room as before, and then start to clean up gradually. The overall cleaning ability is still the same as the previous generation with 4000 PA suction. 2-hour rotating mop supercharged mopping more than enough to complete daily cleaning at home. The mop still leaves threads on the ground, but then it disappears on its own. With the support of the camera, the obstacles in the room can be well recognized. Responsive to difficult terrain, virtual walls are also well recognized. During cleaning, it will go back to replenish water and clean the mop. You can set some other commands in the app on the mobile phone. Your consumables. Here you can see that 81% of the cleaning solution is left. At the same time, there are other functions such as carpet lifting and voice recognition with Xiao Eye. It should be noted here that even though its camera can recognize the sockets and wires on the ground, it is better to put them away when cleaning at home. Otherwise, if it accidentally got entangled while cleaning, then it can only hope for your help. It took 60 minutes to clean a room of 50 square meters completely, and the robot went back and added water twice. No corners or emissions were left in the room during cleaning. The cleaning method is not different from the previous generation. It is also excellent in dust collection and mop cleaning. At the same time, it also has a built-in Xiao Eye voice system. Which can allow to directly control the cleaning by voice. After using this generation, you will feel it's more sensitive in some detail optimization than the previous generation. For example, when returning to the base station after cleaning, it will not linger for a long time. The operation on the app should be also smoother. In addition to the inability to the camera is directly projected to the mobile phone, it can be said that there are basically no shortcomings. In use, it completely liberates our hands. The Xiaomi Robot Cleaner 1S price is $629. Water accessories need to be purchased separately for $129. What do you think of the price? Alright, that's it for now. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is Tukfan. See you next time.